All right, with this WESH2 Facebook Live update, I'm Chief Meteorologist Tony Mainolfi. Hope you guys had a great weekend, and tell you what, some pretty good rains coming through Brevard County tonight, and some of that energy is trying to build through Osceola and maybe even on into southeastern Orange County. So that's one of the things that we're going to be watching here carefully as we get deeper into the evening. Let me just go ahead and kind of zoom this one in just a little bit here so you guys can kind of see what's going on. Carla Dean, good to have you on a Monday night here with us on our Facebook Live. Other folks jumping in right now as well. We got Jamie Lewis Underwood, Eileen DeLees. Jamie, hope you had a good weekend. Yolando Rosario, Zahari Hernandez Santa, Eileen DeLees, Catherine Wood. Good to have you guys in here. Happy Monday to you guys. You know, we're almost into September now, and you know, I know you guys don't like the heat, neither do I, but we're getting closer and closer to cooler temperatures once we get towards into October. Donna Santa Maria, Tina Blair, Karen Rasmussen, Angela Scholl, Colangelo. Good group in here tonight. Appreciate you guys as always popping on in and saying hi. So there's the rain right now coming in pretty good back towards Brevard County. One of the things we like to do is take a look at the cameras. Maybe we can pick up some of the rain over there. Ooh, gorgeous sunset over towards Clearwater, St. Pete. There's a look at Melbourne. That camera's down. It's dark over there. Yeah, these, I don't know if you guys have noticed, but it is getting darker earlier now, and so it makes it a little bit more difficult to kind of pick up on some of those thunderstorms when we're live on the air at 8 o'clock on Facebook Live. Lulu Ferry, Pam Aller, good storms. Pam, take that rain. John Kylie, good evening to you, sir. Deborah Ayung from Daytona Beach in the house. Good to have you there. Rainfall amounts there in Lake County earlier, pretty impressive. A nice little swath here of 1 to 2 inches as well. And from Palm Bay back towards Melbourne, and that rain is cooling off at least a few of us anyway. Jojo Vaughn, you're here. Woohoo! First day. Nice, Jojo. A little cloudy, but you know, it was warm out there. I think you'll have a bit more sunshine tomorrow. But there will be some showers and storms in here. Marilyn Giroux, good to have you there. You guys have fun, Jojo. Remember, storms usually get going after the noon hour in most instances there. But enjoy your stay, have fun. Donna Waterloo-Tomsky, I did have a good day, even though it's Monday. Trina Connors, good to have you there. So there's a look at the temperatures. Rain cooled 72 in Melbourne, 74 in Palm Bay, mid-80s. Back through the interior. Here's what the models are indicating, and they're a little off. There's no rain up there in Marion County, and the storms that are in Brevard County are farther to the south. Let's see if the graph is doing any better. Trina, good evening to you. Anna Jacques, good to have you there, young lady. Hope you had a good weekend. Futurecast showing you. Looks like the graph is doing a good job here. So it's got the storms over Brevard. There are no storms though up in Flagler County, but at least it's got a hint of what's going on. Better than some of our other models here tonight. So let's see here. Go to the 7 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, pretty quiet. Once this stuff begins to fade on out, we're done. And I got to adjust those temperatures in Melbourne down because of the rain-cooled temperatures there. Getting hammered in Miko, says Colleen. Publix, good rain today, says Robert. Donna Wardle-Tomsky, so much rain here now. Yep, you guys are under a flood advisory because of the heavy rain. Let me show you that graphic here one more time. There's your flood advisory. Lots of lightning in Miko. Be careful. There it is. Little flood advisory. That's until 9:30. That's where the rain has been falling, although it is showing signs of moving offshore, at least the heavy stuff, so that's good news. Let's take a look at some forecast plans for tomorrow. Here we go, and then we're going to get to the tropics, which are very, very busy, by the way. There's the 12-hour, upper 80s to around 90 before the showers and storms get going. Here is a look at Futurecast for Tuesday. Quiet in the morning. That kind of blew through that. Look at that. Boom. 2, 3, 4, 5. That's some pretty good rain right there, folks. I'll pull that back just a little bit. And then the rainfall totals for tomorrow. Colleen, thank you for the update. Good evening to you, Mary Ann Zaccone. Always appreciate you popping in. Look at that. Boom. Some pockets of 1 to 2 inches of rain there in eastern Orange County. Northern northern and central Volusia, northern Brevard, and portions of Osceola County. So there you go. All right, so tomorrow, here's what we got. Feels like temperature's still going to be triple digit. And then rain and storms are also going to be quite high, especially the eastern side of the Florida Peninsula. Yeah, busy weather. So there's the Boynton Beach. Watch the rip currents again. Temps tomorrow looking like this. There you go, 85 to 90. Then here's the midweek outlook. Wednesday, Thursday, deep easterly flow. Rip currents concerned. Rain chances are going to be there. Both Wednesday and Thursday. Euro is not as aggressive as the American GFS model with rainfall totals. Generally 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch rain. But look at the Euro. The GFS. This is again through 11:30 Thursday. Let's see here. 11:30 on Thursday night. And you can see going 1 to as much as 3 inches of rain up there in Flagler County. Colleen Odette, it has been very, very hot lately. Now, the weekend, there's a little wave, comes at us on Saturday, and then shoots northwest on Sunday. All right, let's head to the tropics. Kind of break this one down here for you. There it is, September the 10th. We are at the 23rd, so right about in here. And there's your peak of your hurricane season, so we're on that upward tick. And with that said, check this out. We've got Invest 97, we've got Invest 98, soon to be Invest 99 in the Caribbean. And Henri is all but Denozo. Done, dead. There you have it. All right. Here's A, here's B, and there's C. All right, so let's begin with there's Invest 97. This one has a 40% chance of developing. And I'm going to show you the Euro and the GFS here in a second. Disorganized showers and storms, slow development, possible late this week. We go to B, and there you go. Invest 98 there. Moving west at 15. Pressure's quite high. And then here's a look at C. Oops. Let me do this here real quick. A, B, let me do this. Most recently updated. Give me a second. And here's C. There's some A models. Hang on, I'm going to grab some more models here for you. B models, and there's no. All right, so let's back this up one more time. They're getting very busy. Samuel, and Trina, yep. There it is. There's a look at Invest 97 again. So west of Cabo, moving northwest quickly. Latest computer models. None of them. That's just another wave that is in between, and it's not really anything too interesting right now. Good question there, Jesse. Helene Risch, Mary Evans. There you go. Mary, Helena, we're glad you're not missing anymore. So the early look on 97 has it bending very close to Bermuda. Here's a look one more time at B. This is the one south of the Cabo Verde Islands. A little burst of thunderstorms there. This one is curving to the northwest. And then C is not an invest yet, but it will be. This one has a chance of impacting Mexico and then potentially as far north as South Texas. So we'll keep you posted on that. We'll give you some of the tropical models here. I'll show you a few of them. So a lot of dry air there ahead of Invest 97, but it's moistening things up for 98. And there's the wide view. Nothing too scary looking. I do want to show you the GFS. There's the GFS. There's the wave now in the Eastern Caribbean. Getting better organized, very close to Jamaica. Good spin there. Over Cancun. The other wave goes up to the north. Very close to Brownsville there on Tuesday the 31st. And then notice what happens. There's another little impulse towards the end of that loop right there near Jamaica, again with another very impressive wave near the Cabo Verde Islands. Now, let's take a look at the same time frame on the water vapor. Yeah, Helene, I'm going to be on 4 all week this week because Cam is on vacation. So there you go. All right, there's the Euro. See, there's that little wave coming at the Bahamas and Florida. And then another little piece of energy there on Saturday coming on through, trying to hook up with that Caribbean wave that does head towards South Texas. The European computer model is much farther north than the GFS with that Western Gulf of Mexico feature. They're in pretty good agreement on the moisture with a wave on Saturday. And then another impressive wave there west of the Cabo Verde Islands on the 2nd, and then something trying to get instigated there in the southern Caribbean. So lots of little things to watch. Natalie Ann, well said there, young lady. So that is a look at that. By the way, someone was asking earlier, what's the next named storm? We've got Ida, Julian, and Kate are the next 3. Ida, Julian, and Kate. Melbourne Beach, take that rain, Sally. You guys have been pretty dry over there, so this is good news for you guys. Our tropical scorecard, we've had 18 invests, 6 tropical storms, 1 hurricane, and 1 major hurricane. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's see here. I gotta make a little tweak. Okay, 5 tropical storms. Check that. Because we had the upgrade. 5 tropical storms, 2 hurricanes, and 1 major hurricane. Henri was a hurricane. That's right. You did the tweak that. So there you have it. So 18 invests, 5 tropical and subtropical storms, 2 hurricanes, and 1 major hurricane. Again, there's the list one more time. Molly Johnson, good to have you. Thank you for checking in. There you go. So Ida, Julian, and Kate are the next 3 named storms. All right, let's show you the 7-day forecast here. Kind of crank this one out for you and everybody else. Give you a little insight onto the next 7 days. There you have it. Tuesday, 89 with a 60% chance for showers and storms. Pouring, says Sally. All right. Yeah, there's a flood advisory, Sally, from Melbourne over towards the coast. Just FYI. Tuesday, 60% chance for showers and storms. Wednesday goes down a little bit, but right back up Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, and then coming down just a scotch as we get you into Sunday and Monday. All right, let's take a look at the weather around the good old U.S. of A. There you go. There it is. Little disturbance there. Little disturbance over Yucatan. Monsoonal trough active there. The wave coming through the Eastern Caribbean. There's another invest right there. Another invest right there. So definitely staying busy. And there is Henri, right over Boston, and going to be pulling away from Boston and New York late tonight and again tomorrow. So there you go. Helene Risch, excellent. Donna Ward, thankfully. Oh, good news, Donna. Appreciate you giving us the update there. All right, so that is basically, in a nutshell, what's going on in the South. Ohio Valley, a couple showers, little front there. Another front coming through South Dakota, severe thunderstorm watch there. And then another big storm with high mountain snows on a continental divide there in southwestern Canada. It's getting close to that time of the year in Canada where you start seeing some of that white stuff. Cool weather in New England, low 70s. The hot weather in the southwest and the Midwest, Wichita 95. Look at the northwest. Behind that front, high mountains are definitely chilly. Karen Rasmussen, always a pleasure to have you in here. Let's take a look now at some of these temperatures. Point Barrow's at 34, Fairbanks 57, Inuvik 59, Fort Ross at 40, Baker Lake at 54, Fort McMurray at 61, Thompson 52, Winnipeg 64, Calgary is at 48, Vancouver is at 66, Chicago is at 85, Denver's at 90, Vegas 101, Nassau in the Bahamas 86, Belize City 82, Kingston 86, Panama City 84, Bogota, Colombia 61, Lima 61, Santiago 48, Punta Arenas at 37, Cape Town 54, Niamey 88, Muscat, Yemen 86, Rabat, Morocco 72, Berlin 57, Oslo 52, Moscow 48, Baku is 77, Surgut is at 70, Bratsk, Ulaanbaatar at 52, Yakutsk at 57, Seoul, Korea 73, Sapporo 68, Donna Ward Lutomsky, you have a wonderful night. Ho Chi Minh City 81, Macassar 82, Perth, Australia 52, the Hobart Airport 48, Melbourne 50, Christchurch 68, and Auckland coming in at 59 degrees. All right, I do want to go back to the radar. Kind of highlight here some of the rains that are ongoing. Little outflow boundary. May trigger some rain here. Back towards East Orlando. We'll be watching that. But you can definitely see let's see if it's getting picked up on our own radar, EEC. Yep, there it is. That may produce some showers. See those showers coming north? There's St. Cloud, Lake Hart, get ready, a few showers, Wedgefield. This is trying to build right up along the 417 here, so we'll keep tabs on that. Big old solid shield of rain, Yeehaw Junction, Fellsmere, Micco getting crushed. Melbourne, Satellite Beach, again getting a lot of rain in a very short period of time, and that's why we have a flood advisory in effect. There's Satellite Beach, Melbourne, West Melbourne, back towards Melbourne Beach, Malabar, and Palm Bay. Right in there. There you go. Had 1 to 3 inches of rain in that little nook. So there you go. Jessica wants to see Futurecast. Here's Futurecast for tonight. Trying to regenerate more stuff later on the night. Not sure that I totally buy that. But we'll see. There's a large outflow boundary. I want to see what the graph is doing here. Yeah, graph is hinting at it also. There it is. And then the HRR HWRF. High resolution rapid refresh model. Kicking boundaries around. So the model's having a hard time figuring out how to handle the evening storms and these outflow boundaries. Jessica Greenfield. Yeah. There you go. That is a look at that. Cat Pinto, thanks for your photo, by the way. So there it is. Boom, tomorrow. More storms. Could be a couple of rounds tomorrow. All right, let me go ahead and wrap this up with a look at the 7-day forecast for you good folks. And you'll see that we've got decent rain chances on Tuesday, lower there on Wednesday, right back up on Thursday and Friday, and staying elevated on Saturday, maybe a little bit lower on Sunday. That's the way we see it as of right now. All right, folks, I'm going to make some updates. You guys stay safe, wear your masks, and I'll be on the 9 to 10 on the CW18, and again at 11 on WESH2 News tonight, and then all week, Facebook Live right around 8 o'clock. All right, gang, take care, stay safe, and as always, thank you for popping in and being a part of this Facebook Live stream. Don't forget to follow and have loved ones follow it, especially like they live here. Give them some updates, and then when we go live, if you follow, you get the little notification on your phones. All right, gang, see you, take care, stay out of trouble, toodles.